There's a big ruling for TikTok.
There is a big ruling for TikTok. It's coming today, and CNBC's Julia Boorstin joins us right now. She's got to look at what to expect and what it could mean for the app and its users. Hi, Julia.
Hi, Becky. Well, TikTok's fate is in the balance as we await today's decision, which could impact its 170 million U.S. users. A U.S. federal appeals court is expected to rule on whether TikTok must abide by the ban on the app that goes into effect on January 19th if its parent company, Chinese ByteDance, does not divest its ownership by then. Now, this comes after the Senate in April voted to pass a ban or force a divestment, and then President Biden signed it into law. So what can we expect? Now, the court could side with TikTok's argument that the law is unconstitutional, violating the First Amendment, or could say that banning TikTok is no different from bans on foreign ownership of, say, broadcasting licenses or the like. Now, whatever the judge decides, the losing party, either TikTok or the Department of Justice, is expected to appeal the outcome to the Supreme Court. Now, the nation's highest court could either make a ruling by January 19th or could put a hold on the ban while the litigation proceeds. Now, if the court allows the ban to proceed, the app is unlikely to disappear from phones. But the legislation calls for Google and Apple's app stores to remove the app from their stores. Then it's unclear how soon the app would stop operations, including processing TikTok shop orders or paying U.S.-based creators on the platform. Now, TikTok shuttering would be a big win for Meta, Snap, and YouTube, removing competition for both users and ad dollars. But there is a massive wild card here, which is what Trump will do when he's inaugurated, which is the day after the deadline for the legislation. He could direct the DOJ to not enforce the ban, or he could proclaim that TikTok is already complying with the law. So a lot of unknowns here, Becky.
That was my biggest question. Just does any of this matter at this point? It's all up to the incoming administration.
Yeah, I mean, what's so interesting is you have this deadline the day before inauguration, and you have the fact that Trump, back when he was in office, tried to already do this. So this was something that he already tried to do, but since then he really
changed
seems
his mind
to have come around on TikTok. He has absolutely changed his mind on TikTok. Now he says he wants to protect TikTok, but he has a lot of people working for him that are split on this issue. So a real variety of perspectives from his incoming administration. And we'll see what he decides to do.